Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experiences with the service. In this video, we're diving into Loveholidays.com, a popular online travel agency. If you're planning a getaway, you've likely come across their website or seen their ads. But are they worth your time and money? Let's explore the features and functionalities of Loveholidays.com to help you decide if it's the right platform for your travel needs. Loveholidays offers a wide array of travel packages, from all-inclusive beach vacations to exciting city breaks and adventurous explorations. Their website is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to search for destinations based on your budget, preferred travel dates, and the type of experience you're seeking. One of the key features of Loveholidays.com is its flexibility. You can often customize your package, selecting specific flights, hotels, and add-ons like airport transfers and excursions. This level of control can be beneficial for travelers who prefer a personalized touch. However, it's crucial to carefully read the terms and conditions before booking. Understanding the cancellation policy, baggage allowances, and any potential hidden fees is essential to avoid unexpected surprises. While Loveholidays often presents attractive deals, comparing prices with other travel agencies and booking sites is always a good idea to ensure you're getting the best value. User reviews of Loveholidays.com are mixed. Some travelers praise the platform for its convenient booking process and competitive prices, while others have reported issues with customer service and changes to their itineraries. Researching these reviews can provide valuable insights and help you manage expectations. Remember, my experience might differ from yours. So, do your due diligence and consider various perspectives before making a decision. Hopefully, this overview has provided a comprehensive look at Loveholidays.com and equipped you with the information you need to plan your next trip. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've used Loveholidays before. I'd love to hear about your experiences.